Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Me and Mrs B are on a little camp out and we've bought our new addition, the Eliglide step through. So it's enabled me and Mrs B to load them all up and bring all our toys out into the great outdoors. The beauty of this bike, it comes with panniers already built in, good sized panniers, so you can carry all your amenities with a sprung loaded clip there, which is really handy. Mud guards all round. It's got a great electric motor, so no effort required. You can arrive at camp not out of breath and nice and relaxed and chilled out, ready to start your camp out. Comfortable seat, which is really important I think on a bike. If you're clocking a few miles or you're on uneven terrain, your bottom does take a hammering. And they've colour coded the seat with the handlebars, which is a nice touch. It's a great bike, especially the step through with no crossbar, so for people that can't cock their leg or for the female cyclists it's perfect. Mrs B's rode it here and loved the comfortability and ease of getting on and off the bike. And a must for these bikes is a stand, so freestanding, hands free, don't have to lean up against anything, you get all your gear on and off. And on the handlebars, got a fully adjustable headset, so you can alter the angle of the handlebars to suit your length of your arms. The thing I love about this bike is the throttle control operated by your thumb, so no twist grip, just push down on that and you're into the power, so that's great. The LCD screen displaying all your data and your speed, which is perfect. So touch of a button and it lights that LCD screen up, giving you all your data. Lovely clear screen, lovely when you're riding it. You've got your plus and minus that you can operate with your thumb, so you go through all the assists. It's 5 assist modes, and on number 5 you're into full power. At this assist mode I reckon you're getting around 60 to 70 miles of distance if you take it nice and steady. So the beauty of this bike, you have two options. You can just predominantly use the thumb throttle, or you can discard the thumb throttle, not use it at all and just pedal, and the electric motor will cut in and assist you depending on the assist gears that you're using. So you've got two options. You know, if you get tired, you're on a ride and you're sick of pedaling, your legs ache, you can just go straight over to the thumb throttle and you can cruise all the way home. Built-in bell, great feature. Really good brakes, all discs, front and rear. Nice sharp brakes, which you need if you're carrying a bit of weight. Don't have to go out and purchase extra lights, they're all built in and come off the main battery. Same again, press of a button and it displays it on the LCD screen that your lights are on. A really bright LED light if you like your night riding, so it'll be great fun through the woods at night. And they even give you the brake light, which is a great feature if you like road riding. Just touch the brakes and it illuminates. And they've put a shock locker on the front, so you've got suspension at the front wheel, so a bit of extra comfort. And a nice feature which a lot of electric bikes don't have is the built-in lithium battery, so it's all nice and smooth and incorporates into the frame with the key lock, so you can remove the battery for extra security when you're parked up somewhere, or you want to charge the bike at home, you don't want to take the bike indoors, you want to charge your lithium battery. You just open the port from the built-in battery and then plug it in. From fully flat you're looking around 5 to 6 hours to charge it, and then you're back into another 70 miles of leisurely riding. So it's a awesome bike, and getting on it is a breeze because you haven't got that crossbar, hence that's why they call it the step through. The handlebars, everything's within easy reach. The thumb throttle, the 7-speed SIS gears, the brakes to operate front and rear of the discs, the control LCD screen on the left hand side. It's such a light, manoeuvrable bike with comfortability. Really impressed. So this is going to stay in the Bushwhacker arsenal. Mrs B absolutely loves it, don't you, Mrs B?
Yeah, love it.
So we've had a few kilos on here and it hasn't really upset the balance for you,
No,
has it?
no.
Nice and balanced while you're riding.
Mm-hmm.
But very comfortable position, and yeah, really chuffed, really chuffed. So we're gonna enjoy our camp out, courtesy of the e-bikes for getting us here. We're gonna have a nice chilled out evening. So if you're gonna be getting into your cycling or you're struggling with your fitness, it's a perfect option. I used to cycle a lot years ago, and having these e-bikes, it's just opened so many doors and so many places to go, and you're never worried that you're going to be puffed out. Great investment. Cheers, love. Very nice.